I assure you that on Thursday, we're going to roll out a suite of measures that deal with the cost of living crisis, that ensure that pensioners can afford water, that ensure that those on path can afford water. But there's a better way to do it than a fixed rate labor rights. But I am not going to make that announcement this evening. But I assure you, we're not going to allow them to bankrupt NWC. But we are also not going to leave our pensioners suffering and struggling in Jamaica, because this government cares. This government takes its responsibility very seriously. Minister Mackenzie told you about the Yalas pipeline. Many people hear the name Rural Water Supply Limited. That company was founded as the engineering solution to put in place the Yalas pipeline to fix the water problems of Kingston. In 2016, we were called upon once again to fix the water problems of Kingston and St. Andrew. When we came to government, 72% of the water that was caught, stored, processed would go into the pipes and leak. That's what you call NRW. The whole of the pipe them did a leak. The pipe did rotten down under the PNP. For 40 years of disinvestment. We have cut those leaks in Kingston and St. Andrew to 37% down from 72% labor rights. In 2015, you needed 55 million gallons of water a day for Kingston and St. Andrew.